Hello, Learning Llamas. Today we are going to read Gracie, the Lighthouse Cat. This was written and illustrated by Ruth Brown. Let's see what they have for us. Outside, the storm was raging, but inside the lighthouse, Gracie and her kitten were warm and snug in the cozy parlor. Gracie was sleepy, but her kitten was not. When he heard the sound of voices and running footsteps, he decided to investigate. What do you think he's going to find? Down and down he went, following the sounds. Until he stopped at the front door. The gale force winds, the driving rain, and the crashing waves were terrifying. He turned to run back upstairs when... Oh no, what do you think happened? Crash! The wind caught the door and slammed it shut, hurling him out into the storm. Oh no. Gracie woke with a jump. She was alone. Where was her kitten? She called to him, but there was no answer. She searched everywhere, all the way down to the cellar, but still there was no reply. Oh no, is he lost? Gracie climbed out of the cellar window. She called and called to her kitten, but her frantic cries were drowned by the howling wind. It was hopeless. Oh, I hope she finds him. Just as she was about to give up her desperate search, she saw something. Do you see it too? She found him. It was her kitten, cold, terrifying, and soaking wet. He was clinging to the slippery rocks. Oh dear, he's still in trouble. Do you think she can save him? Gently, Gracie picked him up and clawed her way toward the safety of the lighthouse. What's a lighthouse? Do you know what a lighthouse is? Let me know in the comments. She climbed up the winding staircase, back to the cozy parlor. After a saucer of milk, they snuggled down in their basket by the fire. Gracie was sleepy, and this time her kitten was too. Do you know what a saucer is? It's a saucer of milk. It's like a bowl, a shallow bowl. The end. She was able to save her kitten and keep the kitten safe. That was a cool story. I hope you enjoyed it. This was from the library, so make sure you guys check out the library so you can get some more books at home for yourselves to read. All right, I wish you well. Have a great one. Bye.